Hello, today I will show you how to start a portable hotspot with your Samsung Galaxy M10. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up again and select Settings. And in here we have the Connections option. Select it. Now here we have the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering option. Go here and we have a mobile hotspot. Let's select to turn it on. OK. The mobile hotspot needs our Wi-Fi to be turned off because it uses our phone data instead of the Wi-Fi, and it's turned on. Now if you want to change the settings, simply press here and you have all of the settings you want. We can select here to select what our phone's network name is. So currently it's Android AP6BBF. I can change it to something else if I want. I can simply save it. Here is the password. This is the one that people who want to connect to your phone need. You can of course change it to anything else or leave it as B. And if you ever want to turn off the hotspot, you can simply press here. And just like that, the hotspot has been turned off. So, I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.